Matthew, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about future time clauses. We use these phrases when we want to talk about the future. But with these phrases, we usually use the present tense, okay? So we have the words here as soon as, when, until, unless, before, after, and in case, okay? So remember, we have to use this phrase and then a present tense. So it can be present simple, present continuous, or present perfect, okay? So for example, I can say, as soon as I get home, I will call you. In the second part of this sentence, we have the future simple, okay? Next one, when I have finished my homework, I will eat dinner, okay? As soon as I finish my homework, I will eat dinner. Again, we've got here when with present perfect. We could also use present simple for this, and then I will eat dinner, okay? Until is the next one. Until I have figured out, like decided, figured out what I want to study, I won't apply. Okay, until I have figured out what I want to study, I won't apply. Apply means to enroll, to say you want to do something. So we can say apply for a job or apply for a course. Next one, unless, is kind of like if not. So unless it rains, present simple, I will go outside and play football. Okay. Unless it rains, I will go outside and play football. Before, which is the opposite of after. Before I go to school, I eat breakfast, okay? In the next sentence, we have after. So I can say, after I eat breakfast, I put on my shoes, okay? Yeah. Now, here with before and after, you can see I've used it with present simple in both clauses. This is what we can use when we want to say it's a routine, okay? But if we want to use it in terms of the future, we just add will, okay, into the other clause, okay? So before I go to school, I will eat breakfast. After I eat breakfast, I will put on my shoes. The last phrase, in case is I do something just if a bad thing happens, okay? Maybe something will happen, but I don't know. But I do it to kind of make that bad thing or that thing not have such a big effect. So for example, I can say, in case it rains, I will take an umbrella. Now, maybe I don't know it's going to rain, but I will take it just in case. We say just in case, okay? In case the shop is shut, I will take sandwiches, okay? I will take the sandwiches just so that if the shop is shut, I have something to eat, okay? So we've got all of these phrases here that we can use with present simple to talk about the future, okay? They're called future time phrases. So make sure you learn them and make sure you use them in your speech. But anyway, thank you so much for coming today. I hope you learned something new. If you liked the video, make sure you press the like button and subscribe. And until next time, thanks so much for watching.